No. Oh, I'm doing um I'm doing all right. I just got back. I went to get water this morning. Um um just starting up breakfast and then we're gonna see what happens. Yeah, this is how I eat it with potato and egg. Watch. You see that? That's how I eat mine. I eat mine Mexican style. Well, onions. It has onions too, and I eat them with sile. I eat them with sile too, but um, I'm not eating sile, man, because I eat sile and it makes me feel like I'm about to get fever or something. Like I get hot. Breakfast of champions. Yeah, that's what I tell my wife all the time. I still got my morning espresso too. Yeah, man. They the new wire source is we got a new uh I guess you could say, well, it's a water hose. That's what it is. Do they have corned beef and a hamburger in Mexico? Ah, yeah, yeah. They have corned beef. It's not really like a popular item out there. It's not really like a. It's not really like a. It's not like a common food of Mexico or stuff like that. Morning, Leon. ¿Cómo está? I'm having breakfast right here. I'm having breakfast. They're treating me well today. And they didn't Masarat. Yeah, I got potato in here. Like I eat mine mixed with the egg and the potato, and I think it's a good combination. I like it mixed. I don't know, but that's just me. I love potato. Yeah, man, it's one of my favorites. Like potato with egg, and but over here since we don't have Mexican chorizo, then the corned beef that works. Forget the hapak the like button. China's gonna hapak you. Yeah, hapak the like button, guys. Thank you for joining. I'm gonna show y'all what China's cooking. Mexico is very far if the traveler is from Republic of the Philippines like me. Oh yeah, yeah. I met some people that live. There's people that live in Mexico that are Filipinos. What is that called?